if you're not appropriately using public cloud resources, if you don't refactor your applications, if you don't use their ability to size up accordingly or shrink down accordingly during usage, if you don't use all these great tools that are available on a public cloud, all of a sudden these costs come back to you and they may be significant. And you go, you know what? In this particular case, for this particular scenario, for this particular business function, we're better off running it locally in our private cloud. And so now you pull it back and then you make that arrangements. Let's also talk about the fact that a lot of things will live in what's called a hybrid. Some pieces will be private, some pieces will be public, and then you need to make sure that the communication between the two is such that you're not impeding performance as you're going between now two data centers. But think about it. In the old days, whenever you had two applications running on two data centers, you had to worry about your bandwidth and your performance and things slowing down. Well, same thing if you think about a public versus private, same thing. Now, luckily, most public clouds just live in the same data center building that your private data center may live. So all of a sudden, you're getting better performance even sometimes than you would out of two data centers. All that comes into account, whether it's just server, storage, bandwidth, integration points, or even technology. So, for example, Oracle, they don't run Oracle in a public cloud scenario. So if your application needs Oracle, kind of limits it to a private cloud.